Hello my friends and subscribers, my name is Alexander Stepanov and this video is about the top coats and the base coats that I use in my work. Guys, in my videos I always tell you about the sculpting gel and the drill bits, but I told not so many information about top coat that I use in my work. And the serious thing, you should understand that now last time we forget about economy or save our money. The first thing you should remember, we save our money when we order products in the big containers. I suggest my friends only to use the big containers of the top or the base coats. The 60 milliliters is the ideal quantity of the container, which with the gel product with the best prices. If you order, for example, 1 liter, I think that this is not a smart idea, just because it's not comfortable to leak from the big container to the small bottle from the one side. The time of using is not so long, so it would not be enough you to use all this liter of the gel product. This is the second reason. And the third reason, this big bottle 1 liter can be delayed on the customs or somewhere else, and you can be taxed for the big container. You can be asked for what reason you order such big bottles. That's why the best quantity of the product is 60 milliliters. The next good thing, using from the glass bottles, it's not profitable. It's only profitable for housewives. Just because a lot of products are staying on the bottom of the bottle, you are throwing it out. The next reason, for the fast work, you should economize your time, save your time. When you steadily place the cap with a brush into the glass bottle, this is not so fast and it takes some seconds. That seconds are very important to save your time. I think the smart idea to order very stylish chrome small size container, and to leak from the 60 milliliters container to the small container some product, not many product, just because you can easily, if you open on the sun, you can easily salt, can be sold easily with the sun. So I suggest you not to pour not too much product into this container. Not too much product, but the small, you can take with the container the product and steadily, time by time, from time to time, add some top coat from the big 60 milliliters container. And this is the top, I think this is the top way to use, for a smart way to use the top coat. The next thing, you should choose the correct top coat. We have 4 top coats. The first top coat is extra gloss top coat. The second top coat is iron top coat, and third top coat is UV filter top coat, and the last one is the matte top coat. In the second video I'm gonna show you the differences between them, but now watch this video to the end. Don't forget to click like button and subscribe. Have a good day.